Hi everyone. So I've decided, due to our at-home experience, we know a lot of you guys are, well, I know a lot of you guys are going through basically the same thing that I'm going through because we're in the same country. So I've decided to do a video showing most of my parents or those that need it how to take down a style. Now my hair has been twisted from probably 3 weeks ago, and I haven't been doing anything, just getting up, taking off my satin cap, maybe pulling it in a ponytail, tying a headband around it, make it look a little decent, and going. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a video showing you guys how to take down or how to loose out your child's hair so that we can avoid matting, because we know this lockdown may expand a little further than we expected. So like I said, my hair is twisted, and I think I better start in the front so that you'll be able to see a little bit of what I'm doing. So basically, I am just loosing, starting from the ends. Now because my hair is twisted, I could pretty much do this with my finger. But if you were doing loosing out braids, you'd probably need something like a rat tail comb or a bobby pin or a very fine end to loose. So my detangling can be real, but the loosen process is pretty simple with twists. You just loose, and you notice right here is that matting area. You have to kind of separate that so that once you get into detangling, it'll be easier. So that's one twist. Looking at another one, go straight to the end, divide it. All I'm doing is basically separating the twists, and you could pretty much see the difference. So you're just separating, and then remember we talked about the matting at the roots is usually